morning. So in today's video, you're gonna be spending the day with me. So as I was reflecting my 1 year here, I can only think of the few moments where I actually went out on my own, or there's only a few moments where I felt like I was living in the moment, because all I kept thinking before was my goals and constantly listing all the steps that I need to take to graduate or to get a PR and all that. And I forgot to actually enjoy some of my time. So one of the reasons why I cannot go out before, because I was literally living from paycheck to paycheck, because I was saving for my tuition fee. As an international student, that is freaking hard. And now that I am done with that, I can finally breathe and I can finally feel like I'm slowly enjoying my stay. Like, okay, my life is gonna start now. So yeah, I decided why not spend my remaining student life here in Toronto, I know, exploring or going out to some of the places that I haven't been to. Because, you know, I won't have this time when I look for a job next year. I also felt like a year just went by so freaking quickly, because at first I was adjusting with my school, with the place that I'm staying in, with my work. Like, I felt like all this year, all I did was just adjust and observe the environment that I'm in and the people that I'm with. I felt like everything is a mess because I like to have a system for myself. And every time I get used to doing something, it messes up again. On top of that, I was planning for my 1 year and 4 to 5 year plan. Of course, 1 year is to graduate, save my tuition fee on this month and all that. And then 4 to 5 year plan, it was, you know, being a PR here, getting my family here. So there's just a lot of things going on in my mind in the past year, just planning what kind of strategies should I take. So every month or every achievement that I have or milestone, I tend to assess my life and I ask myself questions if, are you happy doing it? Is it worth it? What lessons did you learn? What are the mistakes that you're not gonna do again? And all that. So I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and I'll get back to you later. One of the things that I realized is before, I was looking to these girls who are always blow drying their hair, and all I kept thinking was I cannot do that every day because it's gonna make my hair dry and break my hair and all that. But now that I'm here, I realized that you actually need to blow dry your hair in the morning because it's gonna be too cold outside and you're gonna have like a brain freeze, something like that. So I have to blow dry my hair now. Another option is don't take a bath. So I am now waiting for the bus and I will be going out with my business partner Camille, and we're just gonna explore and eat. It's not too cold today, that's why I didn't bring my coat. I just wear this sweatshirt and hopefully it will stay like this for the whole day. We are wearing pink.
your mask on, I don't know, including any photos or something.
Hello! So we are now here at Alan's Garden and it's super hot today and we cannot take off our mask inside. Oh my god, what's that? Is that a squirrel? Look at that! Shoot, let me show you. Uy, may squirrel na. Oh my god. Okay, bye-bye. Oh no. We have a lot of firefish. It's super nice here. And look at these trees inside this greenhouse. We are practicing social distancing. That is why we have these arrows to maintain our distance. And of course, rules. Look at this cute birdhouse. Is this a birdhouse? I think so. Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts. They have a tree inside. This is a super big greenhouse. Oh my god, look at this. Forestry. You don't need to go out in the woods. Everything is here. This is the main part. What the hell? I don't know what to call this one, but this is like a dome of this greenhouse. I want this in my house in the future. Love this place. Just gonna give you 360 view. Wow. Nakakahilo to for sure. I think it's the end. Dami nito sa Pinas eh. Now this is heaven. I would live here. Shoot, look at that. Succulents and cactus. I will definitely add this in my home in the future. I want a greenhouse full of cactus. Their menu is you're having dinner Monday to Thursday, and they also have a lunch, but it's already 3 p.m. so you cannot avail lunch now. So we are going for dinner. Thank you.
Nakadalawang sangyup. Ay, bibimbap ako.
So we are at Phillips Square, and you're gonna see the new Toronto sign. This is just installed recently. Like super white though, diba? It's so clean. True. Nothing changed really, not much, but it looks new though, so that's good.
Disappointed ako.
Disappointed siya. Ayaw niya ng new sign. Wala doon nagbago. Okay. What a nice day out. It's not too cold today, but I am wearing a sweater, so but that's okay. So we're just finished eating.
I'm
And
so
now-
full.
Yes, we're so full. So we are just walking around Phillips Square, and
Out of breath.
grabe girl, sobrang
stairs nun. Ang daming stairs.
kamusta? Sobra. So I just removed my mask. We are out here alone. This is my first time going in this patio, this area. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so daan pala to dun sa overpass. Okay, so daan siya to the overpass. Then you can come here. This is one of my favorite view here in Phillips Square. Dami nagpa-photoshoot. Tanang!
Uy, baka mahulog sa akin.
Tanang! Wow, bongga.
Action taker.
So on winter, this is gonna be an ice rink. And right now, it's a fountain on the rest of the year. That is the City Hall. This is where the New Lunch happened in this area, but they also have in Scarborough and in York area. Madam, anong ginagawa mo, madam? Ang ating businesswoman is doing her business anywhere she goes. Bongga!
Si Ate Maria.